Yeah. No, fantastic question, man. Fantastic question. And Photon, feel free to jump in at any time on this.
Sure.
But a lot of it is about token selection. Okay. Choosing the right thing to LP. And guys, I want everybody to hear this now. Volume is king. Volume is king when it comes to liquidity providing. If you don't have volume, you're not getting swaps. Therefore, you're not getting fees. Okay. If you will look here on Pool Discovery Ace, you'll see the column that says volume. It's kind of near the right-hand side there for you.
Yeah, I see it.
So just to the left of that is the volume column. That's volume over active TVL. Go straight to volume and click on that so it'll sort by that.